You built the perfect AI agent. Great. But how do you know it won't go rogue and start emailing your mom? Enter protection status. Your suit of armor minus the metal. Hey, I'm Willis, and this week's Copilot Tip of the Week is all about getting instant clarity on your agent security. No drama, no digging. What is protection status? On the agents page in Copilot Studio, there's a column called protection status. And just like a health check, it shows you exactly what's going on. Here's the breakdown. Protected. Everything's locked down and good to go. Needs review. Something's not quite right. Time to check the settings. Unknown. We don't have the data, which means you don't have the confidence. Instant insight. You shouldn't have to guess if your AI is safe. One glance gives you the answer. Protection status keeps you focused on what matters, knowing where to act and when to move forward. And that's your Copilot Tip of the Week. Catch you next time.